Have you been seeing ads claiming that Navaro Collagen Peptide lifting ampule can erase wrinkles, tighten sagging skin, and deliver Botox-like results without needles? Before spending your money, there are several important facts worth considering. Navaro Collagen Peptide Lifting Ampule is marketed as an advanced anti-aging serum that promises firmer skin, improved elasticity, and a more youthful appearance within a short period. While ingredients commonly used in skincare such as peptides and hydrating agents may help moisturize the skin and temporarily improve its appearance, there is currently no publicly available clinical evidence proving that the finished Navaro formula can produce dramatic lifting effects or replace professional cosmetic procedures like Botox. Some of the promotional material also relies on claims involving collagen restoration and gold thread technology that appear to go beyond the scientific evidence available for topical skincare products. Another concern is the marketing itself. Many advertisements feature highly polished before and after photos, AI-generated promotional content, and customer testimonials that are difficult to independently verify, making it hard to determine which results are genuine. The product is also frequently promoted with permanent buy one get one free deals, countdown timers, and limited time discounts that seem designed to create urgency rather than reflect actual pricing. Research also shows that very similar serum bottles with nearly identical packaging and ingredient lists are available through wholesale marketplaces like Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for around $1 per unit, while the same type of product is resold under different brand names for approximately £33 or $44. Some buyers of similar rebranded versions have also reported disappointing results and difficulties obtaining refunds. That doesn't automatically mean every customer will have a bad experience, but it does suggest that expectations should remain realistic. Based on the available information, Navaro Collagen Peptide Lifting Ampule appears to rely far more on aggressive marketing than on strong scientific evidence. So, carefully researching the product before making a purchase is likely the smartest decision.